Come check out the spacious open concept floor plan. This particular one is our West Coast double. In the galley, we have a Dometic 2-burner stove and sink combo, bamboo countertops with additional cutting board and counter space. Tucked away in the bottom is an easily accessible pull-out toilet. Here we have a simple Comet water system that's easy to fill and empty. Here's the trusty Norcold NR751 refrigerator. Above the galley is the pantry space for groceries along with your electrical on-off switches. Now as we move to the middle of the van, you have the comfortable double Broad Arrow seat bed with attached seat belts, a lagoon table for working or eating. Something you'll notice about the West Coast double is all the shelving space throughout. There's no shortage of being able to store your items, even a place to tuck away the valuables. The van is fully insulated and heated, utilizing the Webasto Evo 40 diesel heater. The Broad Arrow seat converts into a bed for two, and we have a power lift bed that allows space for two more people. The bunk bed system is great for night, and the power lift bed easily tucks away when it's time to go back to day mode, allowing you to quickly transform the van space into a nice open area with plenty of headroom. Now, the garage space in this van is equally impressive. You have plenty of floor storage space, and you are not limited by height from a bed like most vans. This is like a his and hers walk-in closet. Once again, you're going to notice there's plenty of storage in this space. In the rear, you have access to your Victron electrical system, 330 watts of solar, 240 amp hours of battery. Over on the right, again, plenty of extra storage and shelving, making the West Coast double a great option for those with a family who need enough space and enough storage. As always, thanks for watching.